Hey there everyone! If you wanted to get more traffic to your Shopify store without paying for ads, then this is the right time to optimize with SearchPie, SEO, speed, and schema. SearchPie is all in one SEO partner using smart AI powered tools to help your store rank higher, load faster, and bring in more organic sales. Here's what you can do to it. Run a full SEO audit of your site and fix issues instantly. Generate meta tags, alt tags, and product descriptions with AI. It also adds JSON or JSON LD rich snippets to stand out on Google. Compress images, fix broken links, and optimize site speed. You can also track keywords, research competitors, and connect your store to Google Search Console. It even gets VIP one-on-one SEO consultations on higher plans. Whether you're just starting or scaling fast, it comes with pricing that fills all stages. Starter plan, free with live support and basic tools. Premium plan, $39 a month or $374 per year for stores with up to 500 products. Enterprise, 99 per month for unlimited products plus advanced features. Then it also has the Plus plan, 399 per month for serious SEO scale up. Includes AMP customization, local SEO, and 10,000 AI credits. With over 5,000 reviews, it's incredibly 4.9 star rating. Search by one of the most Shopify's highest rated SEO apps for a reason. Don't forget to scroll down and click View Demo Store before installing. You'll get a real-time preview of how search by stores work on a live site. Smart SEO, faster pages, more visibility. That's search by.